Okay, so this is the second superorder under subclass Actinidariaceae. That is a superorder Holostei. The term Holostei, it comes from two Greek terms, that is holos, that is entire, and osteon means bone. Okay, so the name suggests it is entirely bony fishes, right? And these are considered to be intermediate between chondrostei and teleostei. That is, they are ray fin fishes, but evolutionary scale we can see that they lie in between the chondrostei and teleostei groups. The scales are either ganoid or cycloid. Tail fin here also it is a heterocircle type. The caudal fin is heterocircle, and the mouth opening as compared with the what you call Amiiformes, it is smaller. The two examples which you are supposed to learn is Amia and Lepidosteus. Okay, we will see the characters of the first one, the Amia. Okay, it comes under the order Amiiformes, and if we see the characters of the Amiiformes, uh, it do have cycloid scales. They are thin and overlapping. Okay, hope you know the normal fishes which you get, the edible, the food fishes, they have the scales overlapping, isn't it? Just like that, Amiiformes do have cycloid scales which are overlapping. Okay, all those fishes which we get for, I mean, as food for as food fishes or as edible fishes, they do have cycloid scales, right? And they are all overlapping. So then you get a picture how the scales are, isn't it? So here they have the cycloid scales. The caudal fin is heterocircle, smaller. Then dorsal fin is very long. Amiiformes, all the Amiiformes do have very long dorsal fin. Then the snout, it is normal, rounded, and spiracles are absent, unlike the first one. But they do have a single swim bladder, okay, air bladder or swim bladder. We can see in the case of Amia. They do have an important role in that. Okay, now we will see the example Amia. Amia, it is the very common species is Amia calva, and it is otherwise known as bowfin. It looks like and has nearly achieved the teleostean condition. That is very common fishes like മത്തി പോലുള്ള ഫിഷസിന്റെ പോലെ വളരെയധികം ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സ് അഡ്വാൻസ് ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സ് ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ബോഫിൻ എന്നാണ് കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, then here it has a long continuous dorsal fin. You can see over here dorsal fin is very long and it is continuous, isn't it? Right? And it that is why the name has come bowfin. Okay, because of the long continuous